Hello everyone, we are going to check out Standard 4th SSTs, Chapter number 9, Soils of India. Before we start the lesson, let's learn the new words. Manure. Waste of animals like cow dung that is mixed with soil to make it more fertile. Soil erosion. Wearing away or removal of soil by action of water and wind. Leaching. Erosion of minerals from the soil. Humus. Fertilizers formed from kitchen waste, leaves and plants. Organic. Natural. Compost. A mixture of food waste or plant waste that is added to soil to make it fertile. There are some new words. Soil, species, forces, enhance, groundwater, affected, factors, equally, materials. Availability, alluvial, deposited. Solidification, okay, solidification. Molten rock, oil seed. Retain, moisture. Laterite soil, develops. Nutrient, irrigated, manner. Now let's start the chapter Soils of India. Soil is renewable natural resource. It is the uppermost layer of the earth in which plants grow. It is made of pieces of rocks, silt, sand, clay, and remains of plants and animals. This layer is formed by a natural and slow process. The huge rocks are broken down into pieces by natural forces. Over a period, these species is mixed with plant and animals remains to form soil. It takes thousands of years to form a layer of soil. Dear students, soil is a renewable resource, okay, and it is the upper part. It is the upper layer of the earth, means it's on the earth in which plants grow, okay. It is made up of pieces of rocks, silt and sand, clay, and the remains of plants and animals. This layer is formed by natural and slow process, okay, natural and slow process to make the soil or to make the layer of the soil. It is very slow process and it takes a lot of time. Then the huge rocks are broken down into pieces by natural forces. By natural forces means such kind of winds, such kind of storms. Through it, some big rocks or huge rocks has been broken down into small pieces. This is by the natural forces. Then over a period, these species mix with plant and animals remains to form the soil, then it takes thousands of years. Okay, it takes thousands of years to form a layer of soil. Now, soil is very important because it supports plant life and enhance their growth. Its water holding capacity not only supports plant but also replenishes on groundwater. This is a picture of distribution of different types of soils in India. First, this kind of color suggests to us alluvial soil. Second, this kind of soil, black lava soil, possesses this color. Then, red portion, whichever we are seeing, that is known as red soil. Then, this red type or pink type color suggests to us that in these particular areas have laterite soil. This color suggests mountain soil, and last, this kind of color suggests to us desert. Okay, desert soil. It's Indian Ocean, it's Sri Lanka, Lanka Dweep, Lakshadweep, then Arabian Sea, then Bay of Bengal. Each and every color suggests to us that this kind of soil they have. You have studied earlier that the animal world and human world depended on plants for their livelihood. Now, types of soils. Fertility of soil on which growth of plants and trees depends at is affected by many factors. All soil types are not equally fertile because they are composed of different types of materials. Besides this, climate, vegetation, and availability of water also affect the fertility of soil. India has many types of soil, and it is the quality of soil that decides the produce of the place. So, dear students, types of soil. Fertility of soil on which growth of the plants and trees depends on, it's affected by many factors. Okay, so fertility affects a lot in particular area. In each and every area there are different weathers, there are different kinds of things like water supply and all. So as per the effect, or as per the availability of water supply and all, the type of soil will be changed. Okay, so fertile soil is very important, fertility of soil is very important, but at some area we can observe fertility can be different of soil.